Hello everyone, welcome today on a Thursday. It's Thursday, November the 17th 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles we have here. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Second one, 2 stars. The third one, a 3 stars Sudoku. Then we have the fourth one, a 4 stars Sudoku. Number 5 is the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cyber block. And number 6 with 1 star. Cyber block with 1 star. And the last one, number 7, the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me and time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise it will be this. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And what's the news of today? Well, I believe, the soccer team, the Dutch soccer team, is in Qatar. The World Championship soccer will be held there, and this weekend they start the World Championship. So that's the news of today. So let me continue with this one, the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 5494. 5494. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 26 printed digits Sudoku, if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row, so the row below, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the third row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. Alright. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, in the first column, so no 7 in this box. Here's 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see here 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. So we have a pair, I believe. The 4 and a 7 in the third row. The 4 and a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright. Then, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Okay. Alright. Then. How about a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay. 4. Alright. Then. 8. How about 4, 9. Come on. 7. Alright. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. And 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a pair. The 3 and a 6 in this row. The 3 in one of those 2 boxes and the 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in that row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 1. With the 9. Yeah. Come on. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Alright. The 5 and the 5, 8, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes in there. One digit left in this row. The first row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, we have a pair again, the 2 and 8 in this column, last column, the 2 and 8 in that column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Alright. Then 1 1. 1 1. Yeah. 1 2 3, but 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, first row, the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 in this box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then let me see 5 9 3 5 9 5 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. 3 5 5 5. Okay. How about 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Yes, 2 and 8 are missing. And look, we have a pair here, 2 and 8, and a 2 and 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers now in this row. 7. How about these missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 3 7, 1 3 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here in this row, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Can I count? Yes. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and a 7. Well, we have a 3 now in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright, 7. Okay. So 2 numbers left. Here we have a pair 2 and 8. So the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 5. 5 and a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 now in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Well, 2 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, middle column. So the 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in the middle column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Told you I need 15 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. So it's really a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on in the evening. I will do the other 4 puzzles in additional. So until then, bye-bye for now.